multiplying and dividing by 10, 100 and 1000. We know the rules of multiplying a number by 10, 100 and 1000. When you multiply a number by 10, 100 and 1000, the digit moves 1, 2 or 3 steps to the left. But when you divide by 10, 100 and 1000, the digit moves to the right. Now, keeping in mind these rules of multiplying and division, let's investigate. Cheng is thinking of a number. What number is Cheng thinking of? I multiply my number by 100, then divide by 10, then multiply by 1000. My answer is 170,000. Let me write the number. The answer is 170,000. Let's choose the number to be A. Now, first step is that you need to multiply the number by 100. So, A multiplied by 100 gives you A followed by 2 zeros. Then, divide by 10. When you divide A followed by 2 zeros by 10, the 0 and 0 get cancelled and you will be left with the number followed by a 0. That is, a digit followed by a single 0. Now, multiply by 1000. When you multiply by 1000, you get a number followed by 4 zeros. Now check the answer what he has got. The answer is 17 followed by 4 zeros. So definitely we know that the number would be 17. So Cheng is thinking of the number 17. Copy and complete this set of missing numbers. When you multiply 25 by 100, we get 25 followed by 2 zeros. Now, how to solve the division? We know that multiplication and division are inverse operation. To find this number, you need to just multiply these two numbers. So, the answer over here will be 25, that is 250 followed by 2 zeros over here. So, this is the answer for the second. Now work out the remaining two by yourself. Question 2. What is the missing number over here? When you multiply 100 and 10, we get 1000. So how to balance it? 10,000, when you divide by 10, you get 1 followed by 3 zeros because the 0 and 0 get cancelled in the division process. So we get 1000 and 1000 on both the sides. This is how we balance the numbers. Question 3. A decagon has 10 sides. What is the perimeter of a regular decagon with sides 17 centimeters long? We know that perimeter is total measurement of all the sides in the shape. So now we also know that a decagon has 10 sides and the measurement of each side is 17. So we can write 17 of each side followed by 10 sides, that is 17 multiplied by 10, which gives us 170 centimeters. It is important to write the units. So we say that the perimeter of a regular decagon is 170 centimeters. Question 4. Millie says every multiple of 1000 is divisible by 100. Is she right? Let us work it out and check. Every multiple of 1000, that is, let's take a number to be A. When you multiply a number by 1000, we get A followed by 4 zeros. Is it divisible by 100? Yes, of course it is divisible by 100. So what she tells is right. Question 5. Find the missing digits. So let's check with the first one. We see that any number when multiplied by 10 is the number followed by 1 0. So what would be the number? It is 5, 6, 8. Question 2. When you multiply a number with 1000, you get the number followed by 3 zeros. Question 3. Over here, there is a missing number over here. What would be the number? It is just 5 because it begins with 5. When you divide a number by 10, you get 560. A number divided by 1000, we see that the number over here would be 4 because the 4 is in the first place over here. The next number would definitely be 5. 45 followed by 3 zeros. When you divide by 1000, we get just 45. Question 6. Here are 4 numbers. Which of these numbers is 100 times smaller than 555,000? Let's work out the numbers by multiplying it by 100. 55.5 multiplied by 100 gives us, we need to just write the number first, add the 2 zeros of 100 and then shift the point after a digit. So the number would be 5550. Let's take the other number followed by 100 gives us 555 followed by 2 zeros. Let's take the third number. When you multiply by 100, we get 555 followed by 3 zeros. Similarly, the fourth number followed by 2 zeros gives us 555 followed by 4 zeros. Now, which of these number is 100 times smaller than 555000? That is 555,000. Now, let us check the answers over here. So, we see that this number is said to be 100 times smaller than the answer we got. So, definitely the number is 5550. Question 7. Copy the diagram and write the missing numbers. 75 multiplied by 100 will give us 75 followed by 2 zeros, that is 7500. When you multiply 7500 by 10, we get 75 followed by 3 zeros, that is 75,000. Now 75 multiplied by which number gives us 75,000? Yes, it is when you multiply 75 by 1000. 25,000, when you divide by 10, you get 2500 because 0 and 0 get cancelled. So you are left with 2500. When you divide 2500 by 100, we get 25. That is, zeros get cancelled. Now 25,000 divided by which number gives us 25? It is when you divide by 1000, the 3 zeros get cancelled and you are left with 25. Work out these sums.